Okay, now we're going to solve one-step equations using multiplication or division. Okay, so I have it set up where we have 2x over here and that it equals 10. Okay, so basically to solve it with the tiles, think about this. You still want to isolate that variable. So you're going to basically divide both sides by 2 or make it into two separate groups because you have two of these x's. So I'm going to divide this into two groups. And then I'm going to divide these into equal groups. So I'm going to put 2 here, and 2 here, 2 here, 2 here, and 1 here, and 1 here. And if you take a look at this, for each x, it's equal to 5. So your answer would be x equals 5. So basically what you did was you divided both sides, and that's what you got. Okay, so the next problem says 3x equals 12. So we want to solve for x. We want to isolate that x by itself. So you notice you have 3 x's and there are 12 over here. So I want to divide these and these x's into 3 different groups. So I'm going to take, there's 1, 2, and let's move this down so we can see it. And let's move this up. Let's start separating then. I'm going to put 2 with this x, 2 with this x, 2 with this x, 2, 2, and 2. So if you look at this, each one of these x's are equally divided with these over here. So every single x is equal to 4. So the answer is x equals 4. Okay, so the next problem is 5x equals 10. So we're going to do 5 x's over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we have 10 on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so we want to see how many of these go for each x. So we're going to divide it up into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different groups. A little harder here, so I'm going to have to just move them over. So then I'm going to give this x 2, I'm going to give this x 2, I'm going to give this x 2, 2. So x is equal to 2. So the answer would be x equals 2. Okay, let's model this one. This one says 4x equals 12, so I need 4 x's. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I get 12 over here, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Okay, so we have 12 over here, and then we're going to break this up into 4 different groups. Let's start with 2. Hopefully that'll work. Let's see if that equals. Okay, and then we're going to see if it equally divides. So every single x has a 3 with it, so x equals 3.